Hiya, another delivery today, quite a main one. We got ourselves the Bafang 750 watt 100 mil for the fat bike, and it's direct from Bafang, this one, so they give me a few shillings off, which is all welcome. But yeah, let's have a look, see what's inside there. Inside here is just the just those bits there, but I don't actually use them. I like to put the nice blingy ones on, which I've got loads of in my shed, so probably won't use them. Inside the box, oh look, we've got some legal stickers to put on the motor there, spanner, and an actual manual. I've never had a manual before. Make interesting reading. Some bolts there. We got the fitting kit here. The main locking nut. Nice locking cap. Got a couple of these normal bolts in there for the pedals, for the cranks, but I can't use them on one side because I could not get the 750 in a 120 mil, and I wanted it in a 120 mil, so I've had to buy this other part that I'll show you at a later point. I've had to buy it from Bling, and basically it extends it out about 20 millimeters. So that's where I'm getting my other extra 20 mil from. But yeah, so should be interesting when I get that. But yeah, so here's the motor. Oh, hang on, there's some other stuff there. Oh yeah, throttle, battery terminals. Oh look, Bafang's own. Is it Bafang's own? I'm not sure. Not sure whether Bafang produced that headlight or not, but headlight. Main wiring harness, and down here is your gear thing and your speed sensor. All in there. What we got in here? Oh, look at that. A freebie tool. I've got so many of them I could give them away. What's this? Oh my. Can you imagine me fitting this motor with these gloves on? Now that would be interesting. Where my hand would go in that little glove. Somehow, I think that'd be a tight fit. In here, oh yeah, that's the brake, brake sensors in there. I don't actually use them, but yeah, there's the motor. There she is. If I move the box over a little bit, I'll move it down there a sec. But yeah, so here's the motor. Few differences I've noticed straight out of the box is the fact that the lugs are here on the outer casing. Usually they're set back here on the inner casing. Wow, that's different. If anything, that should make it a bit easier for me to mount. Also, I won't have that big bolt stuck there like just off my frame, so that should be interesting when I come to fit it. But yeah, this thing I've ordered from I think it's Lecky. I think it's Lecky who make it. They make an adapter to go on here, which will give you your extra 20 mil, so right to here. It evens up the pedals, I've noticed, if you put a 120 in. But I just couldn't get a 120. And the reason I didn't go for 1000 HD on this bike is because the 1000 HD is about that much wider. So I thought, yeah, I want to keep this one in, plus the options for changing rings and stuff like that. It's a much cheaper option to go with. And don't forget, you can put these on your laptop, hack them about a bit, and you can make them nearly as fast as a HD motor anyway, all depending on how you configure it. So yeah, so it should be interesting. And see how we go. And there's all the fittings, got a light fitting down there. I noticed they've kept this short now. That used to be quite a long cable. You used to have to chop it back if you weren't using the lights. But yeah, so should be interesting. All the bits are coming together now. So I'll soon start the actual full build of her once it's all here. Anyway, that's all for me for today. Stay safe out there and get out and ride.